Hello everyone, welcome back to Robinhood Daily Gains. Today I'm going to show you live trade. Alright, we're looking at AMTX. Let's pull that one up a little bit up. So I'm actually currently right now using Ustock Trade, but with sharding I use a Robinhood still. Because in Ustock Trade you could. Okay, so let me explain it first. I got in an AMTX, so far I made $69.62. It's $2.29 right now. $2.32, which is increased to $62 in profit, not even in 5 seconds. I mean, 5 minutes. So I pretty much so far I made $70 in 5 minutes. 236, 235. Alright, let me stop it here for a second. $252. $82 in profit. Oops, $250 went back to $255. Alright, we'll see where we're going right here. So yeah, as I mentioned before, I use Ustock Trade because I could trade unlimited trades a day. I only have to pay $1 to go in, $1 to go out. Alright, $250. Oops, so it went down to $233. I got $64 in profit. I'm a seller and call it a day. So $65 in less than 30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching my video, and peace. 232. That's it, it's done.